Hey. Oh, sorry. Hi. Congratulations. I'm wearing my hat that I got from your Uncle Rob and your Aunt Catherine. I think her name's Catherine. Kathy. They got this when they were in Peru, and that's just to say, like Machu Picchu type heights, and then some even cloud type heights to ascend to, with all of the things that you want to do and more. Love you. Very proud of you. Render. Stop. Congratulations. Congratulations. Did I mention congratulations? Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations. We love you. We love you. Congratulations.
Hi guys, this is Mac. Thank you for joining me. See you again soon. Bye-bye.